So here we are going to start the complex numbers. So what is meant by complex number? First you see here. Okay. So x square minus 4 is equals to 0. Is it visible to you? Hello? The presentation is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर नहीं है सर.
Yes, sir.
Presentation. Talking about presentation, not board.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So here x square plus 4 equals 0. Solution is whenever you see that, can you solution of this is a quadratic equation. And the solution of this quadratic equation, if you try to find out x square equals minus 4 you are going to get. So any number square will not be a negative. Square equals, so x is equals to plus or minus under root of minus 4. So minus 4 you are not going to get any time when you do that. So square of any real number is always non-negative. So that's why it is not possible in a real number. Real number whenever you take into consideration. So that's why that number what is under minus 4 is saying, that is not a real number. It is not a real number. So real number I think it is a little bit late. So apart from the real number, you are going to have the imaginary number. Okay? The number whose square is negative is called a imaginary number. So that number, whatever under root of minus 1 is there, that is called imaginary number. And that usually root 4 will be, that imaginary number will be represented by the minus I. So square root of minus 1 is given, that is I is called as a imaginary number, and if you take that one in the place of the I, so x is equals plus or minus 2i you are going to, so I will be represented like that. So the solution for this you are going to get 2i minus 2i, which are called as complex numbers. These are called as a complex numbers. Okay, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So the solution of the quadratic equation where the b square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac is called?
Sir, your voice is coming breaking.
What we call
Sir,
the b
your
square
voice
minus
is coming
4ac.
breaking.
This is correct.
Sir, I can't able to hear anything, sir.
Hello? For all it is there only.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not clear.
Not audible to you, no. Hello? Hear me now?
It's still coming breaking, sir.
I will try to rejoin again.
Okay, sir.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But presentation is
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, you are asking question something. I think I can't able to hear. Yes, sir.
this presentation is not visible, no?
Sir, visible, sir.
Presentation is visible.
Visible, sir.
For me it is not shown. Okay. So the number of the form a plus ib, if any number is in the form of the a plus ib, where a and b are called the real number, is called as a complex number. So such type of the number is called as a complex number. Means I will be there. What is mean by I here? I is nothing but under root of minus 1. I is nothing but under root of minus 1. So here example is what? Z is equals to 3 plus 2i and 5 plus root 2i, and I, whatever you are having, the real part of the complex number is denoted by RAZ, and imaginary part of the complex number is denoted by IMZ, means imaginary part. In this a plus ib, a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. A is the real part and b is the imaginary part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, whenever you take into consider here, the real part of the complex number is 0, then it is called the purely imaginary number. Okay, if a real part of the complex number is 0, then that number is called as purely imaginary number. So here you see the example, z is equals to ib. Z is equals to 0 plus 7i. 7i. The examples are here 5 plus 7i plus 6 plus I is equals to what you will get. These are all again complex numbers. Some, if you add the two complex numbers, complex number you will get. If you add the two complex numbers, you will get a complex number. You may get a complex number, you may not get a complex number. No, you will get a complex number. So every real number is called as a complex number. Do remember that even all the real numbers, whatever you are taking into consider, they are all the complex numbers. Suppose if you may get the, sir, if I am taking 5 plus 7i, and if I am taking 5 minus 7i, if I add that, 7i will get cancelled, and I am going to get the 10. It is not a complex. 10 is a complex number or not? Yes, it is a complex number. 10 is also a complex number. Okay, 10 is also a complex number. So a real number, every real number is a complex number. Under the real numbers, complex number means real number is set is a subset of the complex numbers. So if you add the two complex numbers, the real part to be added and imaginary part to be added. So here two complex numbers, Z1 and Z2, if you are taking, Z1 is a plus ib, Z2 is a c plus id. Then a and c real parts, they should be added. B and d imaginary part, they should be added. So you are going to get here, in this case 5 plus 6 should be added, 7 plus 1 should be added. So 11 plus 8 is the sum you are going to get. This is the addition of the, so closure property will satisfy the sum of the two complex numbers is a complex number. That is called as a closure property. Okay? So properties of the addition of the complex numbers, whenever you see that, first property is the closure property. So it satisfies the closure property. And the commutative property also will be there. Is it visible to you, the closure property now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you see here.
Yes, sir.
Closure property, two complex numbers, if you add again a complex number you are getting. Commutative property is nothing but if you add in any order, same. Z1 plus Z2 is equal to Z2 plus Z1. Property. So additive identity complex number is there exists a complex number 0 plus I means 0 itself you can consider as a complex number. 0 itself you can consider as a complex number which is denoted by 0. It's called additive identity. So if you add 0 to any complex number, the same complex number you are going to get. That's why it is called as additive identity. Okay. So in the same way, additive identity, additive
what is
numbers are
LBS?
Good. Okay. So let us go to the next further. Additive inverse of the complex number. Inverse is nothing. If you take the Z is a complex number A plus IB minus Z. So minus A minus IB, because if you add two complex numbers, additive identity you need to get. So that's why minus Z is the complex number you are using. So in the same way, difference of the complex numbers whenever you see that different complex numbers and multiplication difference also means real part to be subtracted and the imaginary part to be subtracted. So it satisfies the closure property. So this is the closure property of the difference of the two if you are taking into consideration. Okay.
Sir, your voice is not properly
Multiplication
audible.
whenever you
Sir, it is coming cracking,
What
sir.
is problem?
I am living.
Hear me? Can you hear me? Bonishika?
Yes, sir, but sir, your voice is not clear properly, sir. I can't hear it properly, sir. Yes, sir.
Not properly audible.
No, sir, it's cracking.
From the start, it is like that only.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vishal, is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. So now here, if you see that multiplication is nothing but just like a binomials whenever we multiply that. Two numbers whenever we multiply. So Z1 and Z2, two complex numbers you are taking means A plus IB and C plus ID. So A and C should be multiplied. Here, how do we get that complex numbers multiplication? I'll explain to you on the board. First, you see this one. Then after, we will move to the on the board, and on the board clearly I will explain to you very clearly here. See here, 1 and 3 multiplied minus 4 and 2. Why do we get minus 4 and 2? 4i and 2i whenever you multiply, I into I square you are going to get. I square is a minus 1. So that's why you are going to get that number as a 4 minus 4 into 2. So don't try to remember blindly. 3 minus 8, 2 plus 12i. So here, whenever you take into consider the result, we are going to get minus. Again, a complex number you are getting. So product of the two numbers is also complex number. So properties, whenever you see that, it satisfies the closure property and it satisfies the commutative property and it satisfies the associative property also. Okay, this is called multiplicative identity. क्या है? What is multiplicative identity? 1 plus 0i. If you multiply the 1 plus 0i to the any number, again you are going to get the same number. So that's why it is called multiplicative. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but this. Here you have to very much concentrate to find out the multiplicative inverse, and the problems will be there on based on this also. So multiplicative inverse of a complex number C is nothing but Z is equals to A plus IB. If you are taking, there exists one complex number such that A by A square plus B square plus I into minus B by A square plus B square. You are going to get 1 by A plus IB is equals to. And how do we get that one? I will explain to you very clearly on the board here. Okay. First you listen here. Inverse of the complex number whenever you are taking. So Z is a complex number means 1 by Z. So distributive property also will satisfy the complex numbers. So Z1 is the A plus IB if you are cutting. Z2 is the C plus ID if you are taking. Division of the two complex numbers whenever you take into consider. Second number, whatever with which number you are dividing, that number multiplicative inverse to be multiplied to the given number. Usually that is only we are going to do here. Okay. So I'll explain to you very clearly on the board here, division of the polynomials, division of the complex numbers whenever we take into consider. So, and this is the power of I square equal to minus 1, I cube is equals to minus I power 4 equal to plus 1, I power 5 is equals to I power 6 is equals to I square whole cube. So again minus 1 you are going to get I power 7 minus I power 8, again 1 you are going to get. Okay, so inverse of I inverse is nothing but 1 by I. 1 by I is nothing but 1 by I into I. So I by I square. So minus I you are going to get. You are going to get it as a minus I. So I power minus 1 is equals to minus I power minus 2 equal to 1 by I square. So minus 1 you will get. So these are the things for any integer I power minus 4 equal. So pattern क्या है? I to the power of 4 multiple whenever you take, that is equals to 1. I to the power of multiple of 4 plus 1 I to the power of multiple of 4 plus 2 minus I to the power of multiple of 4 plus 3 minus I. Even power, whatever it may be the form you are having the power, even if you take the minus 1, I to the power of minus 1 if you take, that is in the form of 4k plus 3. Okay. So next, if you are taking here, what is meant by modulus and conjugate of the complex numbers, let us see. This is also a very important topic here in the complex numbers. So modulus and conjugate. So what is meant by modulus and conjugate of a complex number? What is meant by modulus? Modulus of the 7 is nothing but numbers whenever you take into consider. Modulus of the 7 equal to 7. Modulus of the numbers whenever you take. But in case of the complex number Z, if you are taking, its modulus is whenever you take into consider, it is defined in a separately. A is the real part of the Z here, B is the imaginary part of the Z in this here. So modulus of this complex number whenever you take into consider, it is represented by the in the two lines, between the two lines, and it is equals to under root of A square plus B square. Modulus of Z equal to A plus IB is nothing but modulus of Z equal to under root of A square plus B square. So that is real number. Yes, see that modulus of any, or we can call it as absolute value also. So if you take as an example, one example, let us see here, Z is equal to 3 minus 4i. Modulus of Z equal to modulus of 3 minus under root of 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. So this is the definition of the modulus of the complex number. So which is equals to 5 you are going to get. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Z1 is equals to 2 plus 3i, Z2 equal to 4 plus 2i if it is given to you. So ordering the relation greater than or less than of a complex numbers is meaningless. Which number is less than, which number is greater than is meaningless here if you take that. Okay? So ordering relations can be established for the modulus of a complex number because they are the real numbers. Real numbers can be compared. Complex numbers cannot be compared. So these are the main results you can see here. Modulus of the z is equals to 0. Modulus of the z, wait, yes, this one. So modulus of the z is equals to 0 implies z equal to 0. It means real part is 0, imaginary part is 0. So modulus of z is, these are the some results here. So next conjugate means, what is meant by conjugate of a complex number? These are also squares and inequalities. Just like a plus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula, in the same way you are going to have these formulas. But square is nothing but whenever you take into consider the square, modulus to be taken into consider. So the conjugate of the complex number is a complex number obtained by reversing the sign of the imaginary part. Imaginary part का sign reverse करना है. So if you take into consider the z as a one number, complex number, a plus ib, in the place of the b is the imaginary part. What is the sign of the imaginary part here? Plus. उसको minus करना. Minus होता है तो plus करना है, plus होता है तो minus करना है, which is called as a conjugate. As an example, you see that 4 plus 7i, if you are taking into consider 4 plus 7i, and the imaginary conjugate of the complex number is denoted by z to the power of one bar will be written, not per z के ऊपर एक बार लिखता है, that is equals to 4 minus 7i. So if you take here the conjugate of the complex number minus 3 plus 49 is equals to, ऊपर minus 3 plus 49 के ऊपर one line लिख दिया, that is nothing but only imaginary part sign should be changed. Imaginary part here it is 14 का sign change कर दिया, so that is equals to,
Sir,
yes,
सर अगर i की जगह पे i स्क्वायर रहता तो i स्क्वायर का वैल्यू तो सर -1 होता, तब भी क्या हम उसको एक साथ मतलब सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद साइन चेंज करते?
इधर i की जगह में
सर अगर किसी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में सर i का पावर रहेगा सर, कोई बड़ा नंबर जैसे कि i टू द पावर 5 या फिर i स्क्वायर रहा तो जिसका वैल्यू सर माइनस में आता हो पहले से ही,
हाँ
तब भी क्या सर अगर उसमें कॉन्जुगेट रहा तो क्या माइनस जो पहले माइनस के साथ प्लस हो जाना चाहिए वो माइनस हो जाएगा?
here whatever it may be the power you are having, let me stop here this one, presentation start करता हूँ. I will explain to you the on the board में explain करता हूँ. Now the board is visible to you?
Yes sir.
blur हो रहा होगा. अभी क्लियर हो गया ना?
हाँ
क्लियर हो गया आई थिंक. Okay, so if you yes, whatever it may be the complex number is given to you. Normally complex number, if you are taking into consider any complex number, if it is given to you, suppose if you take that, you are saying that I to the power of 5 you are having, this can be written as normal as a general form of the complex number a plus ib form में लिख सकते हैं. You can write in the form of a plus ib. Suppose that is nothing but I power 5 if you are having
सर i2 plus i square.
I power
Go.
4 plus 1.
Into
You do remember this one here. No need to remember that one also. I power 4 value equal to 1. I power 4 value. So that's why 1 into I. So this is equals to I. So you have converted this one into the general form. Suppose if I am asking that z is equals to I to the power of 5. Or if I am asking you this as a 2 plus 3 I to the power of 5. This is only your question, isn't it? And what is the conjugate of this complex number? If I am asking this is given, I am asking you to find out the conjugate of this complex number. Now here 2 plus 3 I to the power of 5 can be written as I to the power of 5 is nothing but I. So this can be written as 2 plus 3 I. This is general form of the complex number. It is a general form of the complex number. Now here for this the conjugate is equals to 2 minus
3i.
That's all. Okay. समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
हाँ? So
Yes sir.
So these are the things here if you are considering. Normally, multiplication of the two complex numbers whenever you are taking into consideration. Suppose a plus ib is a complex number and c plus id is another complex number. Okay. So do remember that anytime multiplication is nothing but normally just like a binomials multiply a into c, ac हो जाएगा plus a into id. That is nothing but you can write. Can you write it as a ADI? Now IB say BCI plus I. These two you have to multiply. So I square into BD. I square value क्या है? -1. So here you can write AC plus. From these two, this is complex. This is imaginary part. Imaginary numbers. So that's why AD plus BC, you take the common and I. Here minus BD, which is equals to AC minus BD plus I into AD plus BC. So this is a product of the complex numbers. Okay? Like this, you have to find. Is it visible to you? Oh, yes, it is clear only. Okay. Now division, one complex number division with another complex number. Suppose if you want to divide the one complex number, otherwise multiplicative inverse. First multiplicative inverse क्या है? Z is equals to a plus ib whenever you are taking. The multiplicative inverse of the z is 1 by z. Additive inverse of the z is minus z. Additive inverse. So this is equals to minus a minus ib you are going to get. Both ways, because if you add this one, 0 you will get. 0 is called additive identity. Multiplicative identity is 1. 1 plus 0i. 1 plus 0i is a multiplicative identity. Okay? So z is equals to whenever 1 by z. 1 by z is a multiplicative inverse. What is this one? Multiplicative inverse of z is equals to 1 by z. 1 by z is nothing but 1 by 1 plus id. Actually, this is directly it is shown to you previously, but how do we get? I will show it to you. So whenever you want to find out this value, you add a minus ib in the numerator and denominator. A minus ib numerator में a minus ib denominator multiply. Just like a rationalizing the denominator. So in the same way, a minus ib numerator में आ जाएगा. यदि a plus ib a minus ib प्रोडक्ट क्या है? a square minus b square. So what do you get here? A minus ib by a square minus I square b square. So I square value minus 1. You are going to get a minus ib by a square plus b square you are going to get. So this is nothing but a by a square plus b square plus I into minus b by a square plus b square. If this is the multiplicative inverse of this complex number. So if I have given to you a complex number, as an example, if I have given a complex number to you, z is equal to 3 plus 4i if I have given to you. What is the modulus of this complex number means? Modulus of z is equals to under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So which is equals to 5 you are going to get. This is modulus. And inverse क्या है? इसका inverse find out करना है 1 by z is equals to 1 by z is equals to z, it's whatever the conjugate you are going to take. Okay, conjugate of the complex number divided by modulus will be written as a, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? You can write it as 1 by z can be written as, what is its conjugate? 1 by z can be written as like this. Why? Because here 1 z bar is nothing but conjugate. What is the conjugate of this complex number? 3 minus 4a. What is the conjugate of the modulus of the given complex number? Under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So if you see that 3 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square into I you are going to get. So see here, same you are going to work. So that is nothing but whenever you are taking into consider the product of z and its conjugate will be is equals to modulus of the z. Product of a complex number with its conjugate will be is equals to modulus of the z. Okay, did you understand here? समझ में आया? So let us see the exercise. So what are the things you are having here? Conjugate, modulus, finding inverse, and division. Actually division, two polynomials, two complex numbers को कैसे divide कर सकते हैं? How do you divide the two complex numbers? Actually if I am asking any numbers to divide, I am asking you to divide to 16 divided by 5 करो बोलता हूँ. What is nothing but here this one? 16 को 5 से divide करो बोलो. 16 divided by 5. 16 divided by 5 can be written as 16 into 1 by 5 लिख सकते हैं. What is 1 by 5? 5 का multiplicative inverse. In the same way, z is a complex number, z1 is a complex number, z2 is another complex number. If you divide the z1 with the z2, if you want to divide z1 with the z2, that is nothing but z1 can be multiplied with multiplicative inverse of z2. So that is nothing but if I ask you to divide 3 plus 4i with 5 plus 6i.
ओ सर समझ गया.
3 plus 4i.
तब सब हम 3 plus 4i into 1 by 5 plus 6i करेंगे.
3 plus 4i into 1 by 5 plus 6i. So 1 by 5 plus 6i कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? We can find out this one. First separately find out 1 by 5 plus 6i. It is not in a general form of the complex number, but you have to convert it into that. Convert करना है तो formula याद रख कर सकते हैं. Otherwise 5 minus 6i numerator denominator में multiply करो. Formula क्या है? ये क्या है? जो 5i under root of 5 square plus 6 square. Okay? Minus 6 by under root of 5 square plus 6 square I. This is, so here in this place ये substitute करना. So that is nothing but what you can hear 3 plus 4i into this one you are going to 5i under root of 5 square plus 6 square minus 6 by under root of 5 square plus 6 square I again it became as general product of the complex numbers. Product of the complex numbers means this into this. Okay, and this into this will be the real part. Real part find out. So like this, you can find out the division of the complex numbers also. Okay, so let us move to the exercise problems of the 5.1. 5.1 by what you are having, that you let us see here. Express the each of the following complex numbers in the given exercise 1 to 10 in the form of the a plus ib. A plus ib में express करना है. Okay, so exercise 5.1. The first question is given to you. 5i into minus 3 by 5i. So here product only 5 will get cancelled. So what do you get here? This is equals to I square you are getting minus 3 into I square you are getting. So minus 3 into I square value minus 1. 3. 3 can be written as 3 plus 0i. Asking you to express in the form of a plus ib now. So here 3 is real part, 0 is imaginary part. Real part of the z. If you consider this complex number as a z complex number consider कर लिया तो real part of the z is equals to 0. Imaginary part of the z is equals to 0 here in this situation. That's all. Okay. Next, second question is given to you. I to the power of 9 plus I to the power of 19. So whenever power form if it is given, multiples of 4 you take into consider. 1 minute. So power whenever it is given, multiples of 4 form में convert. That means either you can write this in the form of I to the power of 4 whole square into I. Because I to the power of 4 value is equals to 1. Or you can remember directly, you can write in the form of this. I to the power of 4k is equals to 1. I to the power of 4k plus 1 is equals to I. I to the power of 4k plus 2 if you are having. इसको अगेन I मल्टीप्लाई करना है. I स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. I स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट -1. And I to the power of 4k plus 3 form if you are having, that is equals to -i. So this also if you remember, that's okay. In any way you can do it. It doesn't matter. ये देखो ये कैसे कर सकते हैं? I to the power of 4 to the power of 4. 4 4 is 16 and I. Okay, isn't it? So now what you get here? I power 4 value 1. 1 square into I. 1 to the power of 4 into I cube. So we are going to get I here plus I cube here. I here. I cube value क्या है? -8. So this is -8. So which is equals to 0. The value of this one is equal to 0. 0, how do you write in the form of a plus ib? 0 if you want to write in the form of a plus ib, 0 plus 0 I, that's all. Okay? समझ में आया?
हाँ sir.
Third question, whenever you see here, I to the power of -39. Okay, so I to the power of -39. So how do you write I to the power of -39?
सर एक तरीके से कर सकते हैं सर. हाँ सर, इसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करके I, जैसे कि सर हमें 13 के टेबल से पता चलता है 13 और 26 प्लस करने से 39 आता है. तो अगर हम I को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे, I to the power 13 into I to the power 26, और फिर सर I to the power 13 को 2 पार्ट में I to the power 10 और I to the power 3, और 26 वाले पार्ट को I to the power 13 into I to the power 13, ऐसे करके कर सकते हैं शायद.
हो जाएगा ना. Multiple of 4 if you are having. See here, this is k is any integer. K is any integer. Here K is any integer. In what form you are having this number? The easy way for this I to the power of 30,
Sir, I didn't get your point. If
I
k
to the
is the integer,
I to the power of minus 39 if you take into consider, that can you write in the form of any one of the four different forms? Already I have shown to you in the video also. Previously the presentation whatever I have shown in that I have shown to you. Using that if you are doing this is you are going to get the easiest way. Yes, there are multiple ways to do this problem. If you get confused, you can write 1 by I to the power of 39. This 4. मैं बोल रहा हूँ one method. 1 by I to the power of 4 to the power of 9. 9 4 is 36. 36 हो गया. Okay? Otherwise, power 10 if you write I to the power of 40 हो गया. But I to the power of 39 ही चाहिए हमको. So in the numerator I. Can I write like that? 1 by I to the power of 39. Is it acceptable? समझ में आया?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
हो गया. I to the power of 4 वैल्यू क्या है? 1 है. I by 1 power 10. 1 value 1 power 10. So answer is I. Answer is I. So what I am saying means this can be another way is this can be minus 39 can be written as multiple of 4 plus 1. We can write that in the form of multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 is nothing but 4 into minus 10 plus 1. That can be any integer I said. In both the cases I am doing same here. So now it is in the form of 4k plus 1. It is in the form of 4k plus 1. Okay? So 4k plus 1 का form में होता है तो I answer. So that is nothing but I to the power of minus 39 can be written as I to the power of 4 into minus 10 plus 1, which is in the form of 4k plus 1. Therefore, which is equals to I. अब ये डायरेक्टली ये याद रखके करना है. वो करने के लिए just you have to remember that. Myself, I don't think that is wrong, right? This is better way, simple and easy way. ये दोनों में same logic है. Logic is not different. Same logic है. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Huh? Logic is same in both the places. So like that remaining problems, whenever you see that, 8th problem let us see. So exercise complete कर लो. It's very simple exercise है. 8th problem whenever you take it to consider 1 minus I whole to the power of 4. Whole power 4 it is given to you. So what to do in this case? One minus I whole power 4.
Sir, 1 to the power of 4 plus I to the power of 4 minus 4 into 1 into I.
Understanding using the binomial theorem.
हाँ sir.
But you did not learn binomial theorem. Till now you don't know the binomial theorem. अभी तक आपको binomial theorem पता नहीं है. So can you try this without using binomial theorem? In any way?
सर दोनों को अलग अलग स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में लाके
That's all. अलग अलग स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में लिखना 1 minus I whole square. Okay, so like that. Okay, so if you are taking next 9th problem, 10th problem, find the multiplicative inverse of the following numbers given in the problem. So here it is given to you. 14th problem, last final. It's looking like a little bit lengthy, but problem is lengthy, but not difficult. So 11th, 12th, 13th problem में क्या क्या पूछ रहे? Multiplicative inverse of the each complex number. Multiplicative inverse find out करना है. 4 minus 3i का multiplicative inverse क्या है? So while finding here, most of the members will write 4 minus 3i is equals to 1 by 4 minus 3i. ये क्या है? ये गलत है. While writing in the notes, you are not supposed to write like that. I have seen that most of the students will write like this. 4 minus 3i, you are not supposed to write like that. 4 minus 3i is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3i कैसे? Multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3. Now to convert this into the form of 1 plus 4, 4 plus 3i, 4 plus 3i, add and multiply. Or you can use the directly formula. A plus i का multiplicative inverse क्या है? 1 by a plus i is nothing but a by under root of a square plus b square. a by under root of under root नहीं है. a by under root of a square plus b square. Under root नहीं है. Minus b by a square plus b square. Oh, sorry, I told in the starting में z multiplicative inverse 1 by z is equals to z bar by modulus of z बोला है ना, modulus of z नहीं, ये z square, modulus of z square. Sorry, a small correction here. 1 by z is equals to, that is nothing but if you multiply any number with its complex conjugate बोलता है. What is this one? Conjugate of the complex number. Conjugate बोले तो just you need to change the imaginary number, imaginary part sign you have to change. That's all. So z and z bar, if you are multiplying modulus of z whole square, it is obviously here you take this as a 3 plus 4i, and if you multiply with this 3 minus 4i, you are going to get 3 square plus 4 square only. So 3 square plus 4 square is nothing but this is modulus of z square है ना. ये थोड़ा correction है. First में starting में here I told you modulus of z. Please make it correct. Okay. So now here like this you can find out the multiplicative inverse. So it's not very difficult to you. And coming to the 14th problem. 14th problem 3 plus I root 5. 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 by root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 minus I root 2. So this is asking you to express in the form of a plus b. दिखने में बड़ा दिख रहा है. It's not a very difficult to use. First what to do here? Simplify करो. A plus b into a minus b form. A square plus a square minus b square. So 3 square minus I root 5 whole square. divided by ये तो root 3 expand करो. Minus root 3 plus root 2i. Whenever you write root 2, better you write I first. I root 2. I पहले लिखना अच्छा है. Root whenever you have. So 3 square value 9 plus I square value minus 1 here minus 1 plus 1 and 5. Root 3 will get cancelled. And I plus I root 2. 2 times of I root 2. Now what to do? 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 by 2 root 2i. 2 1 is 7 by root 2i. What to do now? Root 2i multiply करो in the numerator and denominator. नहीं तो only I multiply करो in the numerator and denominator. There I. What do you get here? 7i by root 2 into I square. I square value minus 1. So you are going to get minus 7 by root 2i. Minus 7 by root 2i. So this is 0 plus minus 7 by root 2i. A plus I भी फॉर्म में आ गया ना? Okay? समझ में आया? So like this.
Yes, sir.
Next we are going to have the argon plane and polar representation of the complex numbers. So the topic and finding the square root of the very simple chapter here. This is and modulus and argument of a complex number and quadratic equation, then the roots of the quadratic equation finding when the complex numbers are there. Within one class we can complete that one also. Okay. So complete the exercise 5.1. Okay. And notes